Hello my friends, welcome to All by Willy Design, where I share not only free tutorials about alteration but also upcycle and redesigning dresses. Today I have a dress that is for a very special customer. It's her birthday and she was dreaming about buying this dress. But the unfortunate thing is she could not zip the dress. So her friend, which they've been friends since 10 years old, so she's 60 now, and I can't imagine how long this friendship was and what they were going through together. But her friend encouraged her to redesign the dress. So they found me, they came, and of course, it's possible and we can do it. So today I want to show you this dress and I want to show you what we're going to do and how we can redesign it. So if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more tutorials. So we have here beautiful dress with 3D flowers that she bought it online. The only thing we will have to change the inside cups because they are too little, so we need one which is wider. And also we're gonna need to remove the zipper. Since the zipper is on the side, we're gonna close the sides, and in the back side this is our plan where we can remove the tool. We're gonna cut the dress right here in half and we're gonna add the corset back, so that way she can adjust the dress just the way she wanted. So if you are excited as I am, let's get started. So first we can remove this tool that we don't need, and then when I start to remove the lace, I sew it in the middle of the dress. They have actually the seam, so we don't have to cut it. We literally have to open the seam and all the layers and also the lining, and will be easy to add the corset loops. So next, at same time, I will remove the zipper so I'll be able to close the sides. But before then, I did change the cups from little to the bigger one, and then I sewed the corset loops. By hand, I did stitch the lining only, and everything was done. At the end, I had to do the top stitch and press it. After that, I just bought ribbon from the Hobby Lobby, like almost half-inch wide, and then I just started to loop the dress. And also I created a panel. I did forget to make a video, but you will see how it looks on the customer. After finishing the corset back, I have to sew by hand all these laces that I removed to make sure the dress looks just like original. Also, the panel is almost ready and I am so excited to show you the final look. My customer was over the moon of happiness and I am happy too. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe more.